Hey everyone, today we are going to learn how to install and set up the top part of the home page of the Rancher WordPress theme with WooCommerce. And as you can see on the theme demo page, we are here, and there is this big section that has two different sections at the left hand side and at the right hand side. The left hand side section has this big box over here, as you can see, that has this main heading. Then you have this description text, then you have this image, and then you have this big button. Okay, so in this tutorial we'll learn how to set up this box first. So for that, go to your dashboard and then go to appearance and then theme options. There in the theme options panel you have this second option called main box, and then you have all these different options over here. And the first one is obviously the main box heading, which is this main heading over here that says car rental service. So for this demo purpose, I'll just quickly copy paste all the details from here. You can obviously replace these headings and text and images over here with your own. So for this demo, I'll just quickly copy paste all those details. So for the main box heading is this one, so I have copied that and then I'll just paste it here. You can change it with your own as well. So the main box text is the description, as you can see here, that has these two lines. Again, you can copy paste that, or you can replace with your own text. And then you have this main image. For that, to upload this image, you just have to upload the image by going to this third option, which is main box image, and then you have this blue plus button over here. Click on that and then it will show you the media upload section. Here you can select files and then upload the image. For me, it is on my desktop and I've already downloaded the image. The image name is main image. You can also replace this image with your own. All right, and then click on this blue button. Okay, so the image is now uploaded here. Okay, so the as you can see, there is this big red button, big large size red button over here that says explore our cars. So in this field, it gives you the option to change the text of the button. So in the theme demo, it says explore our cars, so I'll just write that down exactly the way it is there. Explore our cars. And then you have the main box button link. In the theme demo, it is linked to to the explore cars page, which is this one. So I'll just get the URL from there and use it here. You can link it to you can just link it to some other page as well if you want, but for this purpose I'll just copy paste the same link and then click save changes. Okay, so we'll just quickly take a look at the home page and see how it's looking now. Alright, so this section is now completely set up. You have this main heading here, then you have this description, and then you have this main image, and then you have this big large size red button that says explore our cars, and it is linked to explore cars page that you'll be setting up later on. Alright, so the next part is this slider. As you can see, this slider is based on different posts that has their own headings, description text, and then the car image. For that, go to your dashboard, and then go to this section called top sliders, and then click add new. For this demo purpose, I'll just quickly copy copy these posts and the image to show you guys how it should be set up, how it should be done. All right, so in the title bar, in this title section over here, I'll just paste this title, and then I'll copy the description text, and then I'll paste it here. Okay, so and the next thing is the image. To upload the image, you have to go to, I'll first download this image. Okay, so as you can see, we were creating this post, and we entered the title here, and then we added the description here, and then for the image you go to set featured image. Click on that, upload files, select files, and then upload the image. Click publish, and it should be showing on the home page now. All right, so as you can see, the first post is here. The reason why it is not showing the navigation is because we have only one post. So the moment you'll post the more post, and it will start showing you all other different slides. Okay, so just for this example, I'll add more posts from this. I'll copy one more title. I'll go to top sliders and then add new. Enter the title here. Okay, and then copy the description text, paste it here. I'll save this image as well. Alright, and then go to set featured image and then upload image. Publish that, and now it should be showing on the home page with the navigation, slider navigation. Alright, so as you can see, this slider navigation is now visible here. You can click on that and it will start showing you all those slides. Alright guys, so the main section of the home page is now completely set up. As you can see, this left hand side box is now perfectly set up here, and then you have the right hand side section with the slider is also working fine. That's pretty much it, guys. In this tutorial, we'll cover up the middle section, as you can see in the next tutorial. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.